It's fine if it falls. It's only a $5,000 part. Pickle! Pickle! Oh! What's going on here, man?
Dog park today.
Dog park. We're gonna turn this place into a dog park, dude. We don't got no builds, man.
No builds, man. What are we gonna do, dude?
What are we gonna do? We got the Porsche, but V-Tune's got to come out, and he's not available till a couple of days.
Really?
He said Wednesday. Is there anything we can do ourselves?
I don't know. We may have to figure it out. May have to go over there and look at it, see what we can do.
Take a look at it. But man, it is a beautiful day today. We can maybe allow you guys to see something new that we have been working on, but I don't think so. I think we're definitely gonna hide that till later.
Probably should put that aside for now, dude.
Definitely. We want to do a build where it's one after the other, right?
Yeah. We're already ordering parts. I mean, we got a new build, right? So should we say that or no? No, we don't.
We don't have a new build.
We're ordering parts for a new build.
We're ordering the parts, and then we're gonna buy the build later.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing.
But we have some exciting stuff going on with the Porsche. Let's just go ahead and jump over there. We're starting this video off a little bit different. We're just jumping right into it, and we got a mess on our hands. First off, I say maybe we do like a nice little cleanup because we're gonna be working with this frame machine. So I say we clean up in this area.
We got to clean all this up, probably put these parts in a safe spot because we're about to start slapping them on here soon. So we go ahead and pull some of these cars out real quick and I guess start cleaning this area up.
Check this out, guys. So we are getting the new Goon Squad garage completely cleaned up. Took out all the builds over here, or most of the builds right there, fired them suckers up, get that oil moving and flowing. We even took the brand new Yamaha boat out of here and we took it to a self-storage place, a climate-controlled self-storage place because that sucker just took up too much space. And it's wintertime, and look at that, dude.
Dude, cleaned up the shop, dude. Looks like there's a lot more room, dude.
Exactly, and you know what? It allows us to just see that beautiful display, that bin pack triple stacker right there, which I think we're gonna probably reorganize that, probably put the GTM under the Viper,
sir.
And maybe the kit car on the bottom, and just get rid of that 370Z, man.
Put it on the roof of the shop, dude. Put a roof ornament on this shop, dude.
It needs it. It's Christmas time almost too, but definitely gonna do something with that 370Z. But the main reason why we're cleaning stuff up is because, like, look at that corner right there, dude.
Gotta clean it up, man.
That's disgusting right there, man. That's
the
not
frame machine too is a little dirty, dude.
You know, that's not a good working environment, and that's gonna be the very next thing that we work on is the framework on that Porsche right there, which V-Tuned is gonna come into this video in the next video.
Yeah, next video. We thought he was gonna be here, but he's pretty busy, but there's still tons we need to do before he comes out here anyway.
100%, but I think the main priority is to clean this whole entire place up. You know, that way, you know, we have a fresh, clean environment. That way we can reach the tools faster and more efficiently, and also get ready for brand new builds, dude.
You got that right. And it was kind of due for a cleanup, you know? It's been a while. We actually finished a few builds up, so it's time to do it.
It's time to clean stuff up. But anyways, I say we go ahead, keep on working, and keep on getting stuff done. I bet it's the block of cheese. No, I'm just kidding. But this right here, guys, look at this. A block of, I'm not gonna say what this is right here, but I'm gonna bite it.
Bye, guys.
Bye. We just had a really good lunch. See you tomorrow. Sounds good, sounds good. We just had a pretty good lunch. Look at what we had, guys. First off, this right here is actually a bunch of compressed sunflower seeds, grinded up, milled up. Really good, actually. Super fire. Gonna keep on snacking on that right there. And of course, we got this sausage right here. It kind of looks funny, but it's a fire European little sausage right here. And we got some cheese, some bread, some cucumbers right here, some tomatoes, and Mom pickled this right here, that jar of tomato. This is for the go. This is for the home right here. I'm gonna take that with me. Of course, dang sauce on everything. Super fire. Quick little lunch. Amazing progress right here. Some clean progress. We're gonna keep on moving. Hopefully get this whole entire thing cleaned up by the end of the day.
Beautiful.
What a beautiful, beautiful view. Love it. We need to have a pressure washing contest up here. Alrighty guys, so it is actually the next day here, and yesterday we were doing a bunch of cleanup, and look at this place, dude. It is looking absolutely amazing.
Clean,
What do you gotta say, dude?
Dude, it looks a lot cleaner. When I walked in here this morning, I was like, man, I feel like we're missing stuff, but it's just clean, dude.
It's just clean. Of course, we are missing the boat, but this corner right here as well is still filthy right here, and we were missing 2 dogs as well today. You left them at the house.
They had to stay there, man. They were soaked and wet from this morning I let them out of the house and they started jumping. They like rain and water, so I couldn't let them back in the truck. They're just out there.
And the reason why all 3 of the dogs was out here is because they went to doggy jail, didn't they, Pops? 2 of the dogs, what happened there?
I lost it. You know, it's a run away from house. It's a collar doesn't work here because power.
Yeah, they have the boundary collar on them, but you know, I guess this pupper right here and Volk as well, the older dog, they both just ran off, and they were literally like 3 miles away, dude.
Far from a whole nother county, dude.
It was
but
scary. Luckily, they literally traveled to a different county. Hey, Max.
How was traveling everywhere? They were really scared though at the dog pound. They were like, "Get us out of here right away."
They probably like give them some sort of melatonin.
Yeah, they were acting.
They were really sleepy. You know what I mean?
I mean, they were acting weird when we got them. They weren't barking. Maybe they were just spooked because they were there for like 2 days because we were trying to find them everywhere.
I know, man. That was just our worst nightmare right there. Because you know, this dog right here has been with us for the longest time. All the dogs are good dogs, man, and he's gonna stay at the shop, I think, from now on.
Yeah.
So here's the new shop dog, guys. Mako. Max.
He's a good boy.
Give me a paw, buddy. He's such a good boy. But anyways, we're going to keep on cleaning up. Oh, no.
Dude, can't forget, the most important thing is we went ahead and mocked up just all the parts for this Porsche, the GT2 kit. We threw on the rear deck with the spoiler, the rear bumper, the front fenders and stuff like that. Just kind of just threw them on there. That way they're not laying around everywhere. And I got to say, man, this stuff fits up pretty good with the framework not being completed.
Exactly.
Dude.
This is all from Wicked Motor Works right here. And look at this, dude. We're still, of course, going to do like some fine sanding, maybe some more primer here and there wherever we need it. But man, for aftermarket parts, That's some great fitment,
Really
dude.
great fitment. I mean, he actually, whenever he's making these parts, he fits them up to actual Porsche. So I believe he like mocks everything up, make sure it's 100%. Everything just fits up nicely. All the gaps right here. I mean, of course, this is not welded in, but for the most part, it's not like crazy, dude. It's like
not crazy
perfect,
off. Yeah,
dude.
exactly. That looks super sweet right there. That big old wing right there. I love these scoops. So this is definitely for the GT2RS.
Yep.
And it's going to work with this 911. So the flow is actually going to work like it needs to because, of course, you know, we got intercoolers here.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
and we got to change the air box. So the air box is a little bit different. Instead of sucking air from the fans, it's going to suck air kind of differently. So that's all we got to change is the air box for those vents to work.
Yeah, dude, let's just keep walking around, man. That rear bumper looks super, super sweet. Love the fitment on left and right side. I can't wait to actually just go ahead and weld these quarter panels in. The fenders, they fit up pretty dang
They
good,
fit up.
dude.
Like if we start bolting stuff down, like at the bottom and stuff, you can just make your stuff. I mean, everything. I mean, it's gonna look good. I have a good feeling that this is gonna look sick.
Of course, no, there's like no doubt about it because look at this. You got the carbon roof, you got the carbon hood right here, man. This is gonna be an insane car, man.
Dude, I can't wait to paint this thing.
Yeah.
This is gonna be awesome.
Oh my goodness, that blue is gonna look so beautiful,
Oh,
man.
for sure.
But right now, I know we're still waiting on V-Tune. He's gonna come in, I think tomorrow actually.
Yep.
So we can do a little bit of body work,
Yeah,
right?
I mean, there's tons of body work because, as you guys know, we had to buy 2 new doors. One door came in, which is pretty much brand new, which is on the floor right there, that red door. But this gray door over here that we purchased said that the only issue was this little cut right here, which I was like, oh, it's a pretty good deal. We'll weld that up or
Yeah.
fix it up. But this thing actually has dents all over. Like, if you can catch that, they're everywhere. So that's going to be a good bit of body work, unless we can find another door, but they're pretty pricey.
Yeah, that's worst case scenario. We'll bondo that sucker up, no problem. But as of right now, I say we go ahead and do some quick cleanup in that corner over there.
Yep.
And then I think we might do some work to this Porsche right
Let's
here.
do it.
Alrighty guys, so check out that corner right there looking nice and spiffy. We rearranged a few things, hit a few things behind those lifts over there. Started up the Viper, sounds sick,
Sounds
dude.
sick, man. Got that thing warmed up, and I
Yes,
think
sir.
that's good enough till next year.
Till next year, that's right. We got to take it out of storage probably in the summertime or something like
Yep.
that. But dude, we got straight to work on this door right here, and it's actually not too bad. What do you think?
Not too bad. I mean, the first thing was this big old spot right here, which we went ahead and did that reinforced fiberglass filler, which is really good for aluminum. It's actually made for like metals and aluminums and stuff like that. So filled that hole up, and there was like a piece of door missing right here. Went ahead and sanded that down, filled that up. All we got to do is just go over it with some glazing putty, and that'll be it for the bottom half of this door. And then the top half, I don't know why, but from here there's tons of little dings everywhere. But I guess we're just gonna have to just work with what we got.
And we tried to use that little puller thingy where you like use the hot glue, but I don't know why we've never had any luck with that. So we kind of just scrapped that idea.
Yeah, I mean, I'm better with bodywork. So
yeah, bodywork.
Maybe we'll get a good setup and we'll end up doing some nice pin pulling. But for now, I think we got it.
Yeah,
dude.
so I say we just keep on working with this door, hopefully try to save it, and I think that's going to be it for the bodywork. Is there any bodywork on any other parts of this car? Other than where we welded in,
Yeah,
right?
other than where we welded it, and also the bumpers. The bumpers are going to have to be completely sanded down and fixed wherever we need to. Like, as you can tell, see the molding right here kind of like pops up. So you're going to have to sand all that down. We'll probably just end up like doing some nice new primer on it.
Dude, it's going to look so good, all blue. And then, of course, I think we're going to do like blue little accents like the actual GT2RS.
Yeah, on the winglets for sure. That's all gonna be blue. Just we're gonna try to copy the GT2RS. I know some GT2s, they'll have two stripes, blue stripes. Well, I think we're gonna leave that all carbon, you know?
Yeah, might as well. If it's carbon, leave it exposed,
oh,
dude.
for sure.
Son, what is that, a pound of Bondo?
Almost, dude.
Not really. This is actually some premium lightweight body filler, so there's not going to be any Bondo on this car.
The best, dude, the best. And we're sanding this down to a very minimal because all these dents are like very small, as you can tell. Tiny little dent there and a few others all over the top over here. I just put this last coat on here. We're going to sand that down. I believe we're just going to prime the whole door and we'll be good to go.
That's going to be the best way to go about this whole entire thing right here. But man, I am so excited to be back on this Porsche
we
build,
are
dude.
back on probably the most epic build ever because we've never really changed like an entire like visual body of a car, which this is crazy. This is going to be a GT2RS kit on a 911 turbo, which is going to be absolutely epic. I just want to keep walking around this thing because look at this kit. We finally got it in, slapped it on. I mean, this thing is about to get slapped together in no time. Probably in the next one, we'll have some stuff welded on, frame, maybe even 100% complete. And then that's pretty much it, dude.
Yeah, there's not really much left on this thing, but at the same time, there is a bunch left because look at that interior. It is gutted, dude.
Completely gutted. We still got to do custom headliner and stuff like that. We got to redo it. We got to paint the whole car, dude. We got to paint the whole car, that's just going to be amazing on its own, seeing it transform into a blue car.
But guys, that is going to be all for today's video. We're super happy to be back on this Porsche GT2RS. And this series right here is back in full swing, so definitely make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss out on anything. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Drop your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.